Dubi was a interesting person. He came to our office. He was very motivated, very excited about his hair transplant. And from day one, he said, you know what? I'm gonna document this. I already made the Instagram page for my hair journey. And he came in, he got a hair transplant. And then after that, every single day, he documented himself in the same position, same angle, same lighting. And he tried to put together a documentary who can help other people who are going through the process. And he did a great job, and I really appreciate the effort of people like Dubi, who are open about their hair transplant and they're open about helping other people, because many people who come through the procedure of hair transplant and afterwards, they are looking at it, they are talking about it as a transformative life experience. And why not wanting the same thing for others? And this is how big they are. They're sharing their stories. They're not getting tangled with the stigma involved with hair transplant. So he was going through advanced class of baldness, and we give him a big hair transplant and covered everything. And when he was done, for years after, he was sending me photos of like photo shoots, like professionally done. I said, Dr. Mohebi, check this one. Look at this, look at my family photos, look at my business profile photo. And I love every message that he sent to me.